Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to make Windows 11 taskbar transparent. Copy URL from description and paste it into browser search bar. Click Portable Zip x64. Click Open Folder. Extract the file. Click Taskbar X Configurator. Check Transparent, click Apply. You can also change to transparent gradient, opaque, blur and acrylic. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.